Automate geotechnical data management with EQuIS Geotech's complete digital data collection, analysis, and reporting workflows. Align geotechnical data tasks with your organization's project workflows. Electronically capture data from drilling activities in near real time with EQuIS Collect. Create gINT-like boring, CPT and DMT logs, and additional standard ASTM and AASHTO reports. Assign lab tests and return both raw lab data and calculated results to EQuIS in a checked workflow. Integrate and import high-frequency instrument data efficiently and digitally. Store and report increasingly important geophysical, MWD, and non-typical data. Use the standard out-of-the-box reports and configure to your organization's standards. Simplify your reporting efforts by utilizing the vast array of industry standard reports and data exchange formats. Leverage our business partnerships with Esri and Microsoft, extending your data to powerful GIS, CAD, and data analysis programs. Connect, store, query, and preserve your unstructured historical data such as PDFs, photographs, and tables in EQuIS Helios. Discover the EQuIS advantage of automated and comprehensive geotechnical data management workflows with EQuIS Geotech. Contact EarthSoft today.